Oh, hello everyone. I'm your host, Crypto Princess, and we are connected Kate.com platform. Okay, so this is my project. Okay, so my project name is Union Mean You. Okay, भाई इसको you भी कहते हैं. Okay, so now let's start our project. So Gate Launch Pool supports USDT staking in project. So hash 312 Union U stake USDT or U to climb airdrops. Okay, so get launch pool. So now sports UST staking and will launch project hash 312 union U. User can stake GUSD so or U to share 6,500 U tokens for free. Okay, airdrop rewards are distributed hourly and minute GUSD, so spot USD and trade USD in USD market VIA. Okay, so airdrop delight staking period September 5 2025 9 USD and September 5 year 2025 9 USD and total staking rewards of 6,500 U. Okay, wait, so stake to earn now. Okay, so unlock method unlock 100% and get launch will allow you to stake in advance. You can stake use steps before the official launch of the project to insecure your start and earning rewards for as soon and minimum beginnings. Okay, reward distributed, so the system will distribute token rewards to users support accounts or an hourly basic based on the proportions. Okay, or sets they have a stake. Okay, so gate launch FAQs. So how to participate, log in your gate account and complete identify verification and negative to launch pool hold as the at least 0.5 USD. One you click stake. Okay, project information. So Union is the leading ZK interoperability li functions as a system mates and liquidity lawyers for protocols and assessed issues. Okay, there are no dependencies or trusted third parties and orchestrates multi signatures or MPC unlike other interoperability protocols. Okay, so Union Live Free ethical set key Interpol layer enables seamless and assess issues and scaling across thousands of the chains. Okay, without security. Oh, thank you so much, my dear friend Discovery. Thank you so much, dear. Welcome to my last broadcast, my life project, dear. Welcome. कैसी हैं भाई आप? Discovery, how are you, dear? How are you? कैसी हैं भैया आप डिस्कवरी? मैं अभी लाइव स्ट्रीम करके हटी हूँ और मैंने देखा आप जब नहीं आई, मैं इंतज़ार करी थी आपका। फिर अभी मैंने जो है वो प्रोजेक्ट लगवा लिया कि मैं अभी प्रोजेक्ट भी कर लूँ। सो थैंक यू सो मच डिस्कवरी फॉर कमिंग टू माई लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट हियर। सो थैंक यू सो मच। गुड टू सी यू डियर, गुड टू सी यू। एंड अगर आप ठीक हैं तो माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छी बात है। वेरी गुड डियर, वेरी गुड। एंड thank you so much, Discovery, for coming to my live broadcast here. Thank you so much. This is for you, okay? So Gate Land FAQ, how to participate, log in your Gate account, complete identify verification, and thank you so much, Discovery, for coming to my live broadcast here. I am very happy because you joined me, dear. You joined me. Thank you so much, everyone, and thank you so much, my dear friend Discovery. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you so much. Stay here, Discovery, और सुनाए भाई हाल चाल, और सुनाए भाई. Stay here, everyone. Stay here. Okay, stay here, everyone. Stay here. So now let's see the thank you so much, Discovery. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you so much. I'm very happy because you joined me, dear. And get user D758053A join the last stream. Thank you so much, dear, for the stream here. And thank you so much, Discovery, for this comment. So Discovery comment me, thanks my baby. So thank you so much, Discovery. आपने जो है मुझे बहुत अच्छा नाम दिया हुआ है. And this now has been active to launch pool hold list 0.05 USDT and 1 you click stake. Okay, bhai. So look at this, everyone. Look at this, and and project information leading. So ZK interoperability LI functions as you stream and click liquid layer of the protocol as issues. Okay, so Norse. Okay, so Norse K transpose is an issues. Okay, so thank you so much, Discovery, for coming to my live broadcast here. And thank you so much, Discovery. Nice to meet you, Discovery. Nice to meet you. Good to see you, dear. Good to see you. Thank you so much, Discovery, for coming to my live broadcast here. And thank you so much, dear. A staking airdrop platform where user can earn hourly airdrop trading on newly listing tokens for stake GD, BTC, Ethereum, USDT. Okay, so look at this, everyone. Look at this, and other tokens with lower entries and price and high APR, and it's an easily way to crypto market opportunities. Okay, भाई कहाँ चली गई है डिस्कवरी? आप कहाँ चली गई हैं भाई डियर? ओह माय गॉड, थैंक यू सो मच डिस्कवरी. क्या आप, ये मुझे लगा कि आप जो है वो बिना बताए ऐसे मुझे छोड़ के चली गई हैं. thank you so much, Discovery, for coming to my live stream here. So thank you so much, dear, for staying my live stream. Thank you so much. बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि आप हमारी लाइव स्ट्रीम में आती हैं, रुकती हैं, बातें शातें करती हैं भाई. सो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, डियर. Any cheating behavior in probability which will result in instability of the rewards. Okay, so in case of the disputing between the translate and the original English version, so English versions shall worse. Okay, so look at this, everyone. Look at this. So thank you so much, dear, for coming to my stream here. And and Discovery, my dear friend, you are so sweet. Discovery, you are so sweet. Thank you so much, Discovery, for coming to our stream here. And thank you so much, dear. Walk and see join the live stream. Thank you so much, Walk and see, for coming to our project here. And thank you so much, my dear friend Discovery, for coming to my live project here. Stay here, Discovery, stay here. And please follow the rules of the event when participants see any cheating behavior is prohibited. Okay, so look at this, everyone. Look at this. Okay, so now let's see the great gateway to cryptos to trade over 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. So take action now. So sign up and climb up to 10,100,000 in welcome rewards. So invite friends and earn. So 40% कमीशन. और डिस्कवरी, नो डियर, आप नहीं जा सकती, ऐसे तो ना करें डियर. नो डियर, नो 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 डियर डिस्कवरी, नो भाई, ऐसे ना करें भाई. Thank you so much, Discovery, for coming to my broadcast here. Please stay here, Discovery. Please stay here. Stay, dear. Stay, Discovery. Please, Discovery, stay करें भाई, ऐसे ना करें, ना जाए Discovery. Stay here, dear, stay here. And thank you so much everyone who joining my live project here. So please everyone like, follow, share and stay here. And stay here everyone, stay here. Stay connection. So visit Gate official website and download the Gate app, are descriptive and follow on the Gate. So, okay, so transparency, insecurity. So look at this everyone, look at this. Okay, bye. So thank you so much everyone who joining my live project here. So thank you so much my dear friend Discovery for coming to my live stream, dear. Welcome to my live stream, Discovery. So now let's say यूएसटी मीटिंग. सो ना जाए भी डिस्कवरी. नो डियर नो, अभी नहीं जाना डिस्कवरी, आपने स्टे करना है भाई यहीं पे डिस्कवरी. नो डियर नो. यूएसटी USD minting. So traceability, characteristic, urine bearing and the assist blackhead by toxic stresses and bills and stake queens. Okay, so look at this everyone, look at this. So thank you so much everyone who joining my live stream here, live project here. Okay, so please everyone like, follow, share and stay here everyone, stay here. Please everyone like me. Okay, like, follow, share and stay here everyone, stay here. And get user B460 F3 B1 join the last team. Thank you so much dear for coming to our team here. And walk and see join the last team. Thank you so much walk and see for coming to our team here. And thank you so much everyone who joining my live stream here. So please everyone like, follow, share and stay here everyone, stay here. Okay, so by total minted USD है भाई 60.3 and the EST APR so 4.4% USD 1 USD does 1 USDC. Okay भाई, how to participate. So deposit minting, USD returns and fixable redemptions. Okay, so भाई ये पढ़ लेते हैं, deposit minting पढ़ते हैं भाई. Buy to deposit USD and UDC into your Gate account, stake them to receive USD and the one rates. Okay, and what is the USD? Okay, so now let's see what is the USD. So USD is fixable principal project. So invites. Okay, investment products that the distribute rewards daily and its returns are sources from the Gate issuers. Okay, and the tokenized transmitters and the other River RWA and Strix coins make various issues. Okay, so designed to prove relative stakes years on the inbound policies. Okay, and bearish market conditions are the lecture USD is fully tradable and can be used after. Okay, so thank you so much everyone who joined my stream here. Why choose USD? Okay, GUSD. So minting. Okay, so principal gratuities and fixable redemption GUSD. So valued and collectible. Okay, so how does GUSD work? What is the sources of to return? Okay, GUSD so its principal products to imply so certification of your staking is says the value of GUS is pins 1 to the stakeable coin you stake. User can subscribe to fix holding user design and stakeable to earn and number yield reward are distributed daily USD. And the return gentlest throttling Gate protections and includes but not limited to invoice in the real world assessed. Okay, and such as token USD trimmed bonds and the amount of years is determined independently by Gate based on factors indicate market condition and product estimates. Okay, how do you receive GUSD 1000 staking is fair and the amount limit. Okay, so after staking USDT, so you will earn your GUSD. So at a ratio of the first example, for example, it's you stake to 100 USD, you will receive 100 GUSD. Okay, so in your spot there, your fixed amount and stock lives and certifications are with your staking assets. Okay, not that you must hold the at least 0.01 GUSD so to generating returns. Okay, so about the main accounts and sub accounts are eligible for staking. Okay, so how to random my assets is the petition free, so you can demand USD at the any time and your assets will be automatically returned to your spot limit account to USDT USDC. You can choose between the fast renovation and standards reputation. Okay, so first random patients will charge 0.01% of the total reputation amount as the revenue free. Okay, so fast taking repetition the reason assess will be returned to your sport and fires account in USD. Okay, so D plus 3 after you assessment the deep penetrations requests and 0.05% or the total repetitions amount will be distributed from the total repetition amounts and the repetition free. Okay, so look at this, everyone, look at this. So now let's see how to return calculation. Where can I track my calculated returns? Okay, the APR, so it's set based on the market condition and product. Okay, and sentimentability. Return start accounts on the second day after your stake will be distributed in your GUSD by 18 the following days. Return amount, the return amount calculated based on the eligible GUSD balance in your spot limit account and fund ending account. Okay, so look at this, everyone, look at this. Now let's next question. So what are the opportunities? So like my any events with this product carries and such as the market valves and integrations ABAR, while the principal is changing from the market renovation fees and may reduce your overall returns. So please be reward to be this before subscribing. Okay, bhai. So thank you so much everyone who joining my live stream here. So please everyone like, follow, share and stay here. Everyone stay here. Okay, bhai. So by you. Okay, so union is the leading ZK interoperability LI functioning as a systems and liquidity lawyer the products. Okay, and the SES issues, they are not dependent, so they are not dependent. So look at this. Thank you so much everyone who joining my live stream here. So please everyone like, follow, share and stay here. Everyone stay here. Okay, so now the visit the limited for the subscribe second assessments across chain the end game of the accuracy futures. Okay, so total reward, so 6,500 you and start time year 2025 9 5 14. Okay, and the end time year 2025 9 15 14 and the end in 5D 16 31 30. Okay, so look at this, everyone, look at this, and thank you so much everyone who joining my live stream here. Oh, please everyone like, follow and stay here. Everyone stay here. Okay, so Evan Hunter joined the last team. Thank you so much, Evan Hunter, for coming last team here. And Skyfall joined the last team. Thank you so much, Skyfall, for coming last team here. And Samuse joined the last team. Thank you so much, Samir, for coming last team here. And thanks a lot, everyone who joining my last team here. So stay here, everyone, stay here and enjoy my last team here. So now let's see the pool you GUSDU. Okay, total staking reward was 500,000 U, and minimum period. So minimum period, so 10 days, and so total stake. So look at the participant is 3,211, price fall 100 cap, and 208,208 33.33 U, and the individual holy reward case 2,499.99 U, and APR 19.55 percentage, and individual stake caps to the 500,000 GUSD. Okay, so now let's the union. So look at this, everyone. Look at the union. So the next generations of security. So look at this, everyone. Look at this. Integrity and the chain aspiracy. Okay. So now let's see this. Okay, so look at this, everyone. Look at this. The end game is Zcash proofs streaming unlimited connection real time. Oh my god, look at this, everyone. This is very nice picture. So native on all equitations, inventory machines, okay, Union Sports, EVMS, SVMS, and ALTVMS. Okay, by integrating with all executions environments. Okay, our ecosystem. Okay, so look at this, everyone. Look at this. So products, app, and resources about social, legal. Okay, so look at this, everyone. Look at this. So very यूनियन फंक्शंस. ओके, यूनियन फंक्शन है भाई, इसे फॉलोइंग है 17 फॉलोइंग एंड फॉलोवर्स 111.5 k and posts. Okay, so union function post. Look at this, everyone. Climb to you and airdrops are now live, so climb will be remain open September 18th. After this deadline you will no longer be available to climb. Okay, here show to climb your allocation. Okay, climb is live. Okay, so union functions and union foundation. Okay, look at this, everyone. Look at this, the PRE climb registration guide. Okay, you draw pre-climb registration guidance. The guidance explain how to register to the U-drops are climb in advance of the union. Martin, like the pre-climb bed in your eligible best to your deboard account to complete the service checks. Okay, so union function. So union function will be EFRC 20 compatibility and issues on TLIP. Okay, so you can see, everyone, you can see. So thank you so much, everyone, who joined my live project here. So please, everyone, like, follow, share, and stay here. Everyone, stay here, please, everyone. Like me. Okay, like, follow, share, and comment me, everyone. Comment me and stay here, everyone. Stay here. Okay, so now let's see the union functions replying to union. Okay, app union build Europe. Okay, so look at this, everyone. U-drop free climb registration guide. Okay, this guide apply to how to register for the U-drop pre-climb to advice. So of the union minute language, the pre-climb binds your eligible valids to your Denport accounts complete and sub checks. Okay, so union functions and staking circle. So look at this, everyone. Look at this. Okay, so union functions and union functions are replying to union FDN and really are about you on the union below. Okay, So union function, so look at this everyone, look at this. The union functions is the replying to, so look at this everyone, look at this. Okay, and so now let's see the, so thank you so much everyone who joining my live stream here. So please everyone, like, follow, share, stay here everyone, stay. Okay, so now the union function replying to check. Okay, so look at this everyone, look at this union function. So someone individual building to get in connected with a US asked to check out the queue combination. The union in collaboration with the 50 teams will be assessed into the 9 weekly program and registration clause on the suddenly Saturday 15 March. Okay, so thank you so much everyone who joining my live project here. So please everyone, like me, like, follow, share, and comment. Everyone comment me and stay here everyone, stay here. Okay, wait, so complete BLS and optimism is complete BFT. So consists engines. Okay, so X engines. Okay, so abstract. So commit is the modification of the commit PDF option. So for the resistance to zero knowledge price pool of this. Finally, and the gross 16 to assets proof stake. Okay, and we show our implementations in the Cosmos space chain and for fully trustly cross the chain applications for an IBC based on the properties for our client. We distribute improvement through via make to be IBC and trustful loose breaking in the gentle to assess security and assess breaking across chain. Okay, so introduction. So look at this everyone, look at this. Thank you so much everyone who joining my live stream here. So 641777 joined the live stream. Thank you so much dear for coming to live stream here, and some units joined the live stream. Thank you so much some units for coming to live stream here. And thank you so much everyone who joining my stream here. So get user 8ABDCEFC join the live stream. Thank you so much dear for coming to live stream here. So stay here everyone, stay here and enjoy my live project here. Okay, so introduction, the introduction. So this live website 3 protocol during the past various year learners and formals arbitrarily decentralized protects and highly restrained limited to attack the flag swing event while hybrid and decentralized centralized protocol also from the hacks. Okay, insider attacks and the management the comings in collapse systems or tongues. And so now let's see this. So in the pattern between the blockchain based on the light claimation on the stake proof thought code flake can still read search insecurity. So IBC has shown to be a more security fighting protocols sports by its longly various and security building and the continuity in treating airdrops in trending. There's the protocols for the new income system not only bring security, environmental, and over this centralized binding proving, but this also option us to complete the new word of the new integration set between the sum of the deposit limited words and the most permitted. Okay, so now let's the next question. So come BLS Aux stimulus for the verification. So we have a string identification through entered and my to reader, both the state grow and the light clicking. So okay bhai. And the SCOM BTF with the BLS sign natures direct word vehicle trans to come BLS has a constant sign cost for the virtual compared to the trend made in the liner. Line time is and the liner cost integrating based on the wall. So integrate size for the pool and provide can also be okay. So now let's see the Ethereum base validated rotation. Okay, so the future reduce processing cost. So COM BLS can use the entry space variation reverberation EBVR protocol. Okay. So increasing the minutes of the limit time. So probably need to be a specified for the non-adjective. Okay. And light communication reducing here only one distributed from BLD. So look at this, everyone look at this. So welder stake change AL algorithm. Okay, so each has their welder rotation species and the end block base up to date. Update is traded by ether the first block of the n each author, so they will be also be limited the time stakes of the next port. Okay, the number of the tulip varieties exceed in their solo. This is required for effect kits. Okay, so thank you so much everyone who is joining my live stream here. So please everyone like, follow, share and comment everyone. Okay, so we get user 870A645E join the live stream. Thank you so much, dear, for coming live stream here. And Skyfall joining my live stream. Thank you so much, Skyfall, for coming live stream here. And thank you so much, everyone who joining my live stream here. Stay here, everyone. Stay here and enjoy my live stream here. Please, everyone like me. Okay, like my stream, share my stream, and drop your comments also, everyone. Okay, so this is my project name. Okay, so यू को कहते हैं भाई यूनियन, यू जाहिर करता है यूनियन को, जो कि है प्रोजेक्ट का नेम है. सो लुक एट दिस एवरीवन, लुक एट दिस. ओके, thanks so much everyone who joining my live stream here, live project here. Okay, Gateline will now support USDT staking and will be launched projects. 312 unions user can stake USDT or to share 6,500 U token for free. Airdrop rewards distributed shortly. Okay, and we need USDT deposit, USDT trade, USDT in USDT market. Wow. Okay, so airdrop delights or stake period September 5 and year 2025 9 USDT. Okay, and total stake rewards 6,500 use and rewards for this will distribute token rewards to use sport account on a hourly base based on the proportions to assess. They have staking period. They have a staking period. They have a staking period. So look at this, everyone. Look at this. So look at this, everyone. Look at this. So this is a very nice project. Okay. So thank you so much, everyone who joining my live project here. So दोबारा से भाई इसका इंट्रोडक्शन पढ़ देते हैं. तो Gateline will support GUSD staking in project hash 312 union Q. So stake GUSD or the U time airdrop. Okay, you mean union. So this is my project name. Okay, so I am complete my project. So thank you so much everyone for joining my live project here. So thank you so much everyone for like, follow, share, and thank you so much everyone. So anyone please question me. Okay, so ask me question, everyone ask me question. Okay, so thank you so much everyone who joining my live project here. So my project time is over now, so everyone take care and bye bye.